I'm Shubham Mahajan. Welcome to new lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the conversion of units. So, first one is units of length. As you all know that length can be measured in using kilometers, meters, centimeters and millimeters. So, here is the first unit, that is 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Second one is 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. Third one is 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. Now here we have 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. If we want to convert kilometers to centimeters, then it will becomes 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. As you know that meter, this can be written as 1000 multiplied by 1 meter, which is equals to 1000 multiplied by, see, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So this will be equals to 100 centimeter. So this will be equals to 1 lakh centimeter. So 1 kilometer equals to 1 lakh centimeter. And if I have to convert, this is for kilometer to centimeter. If I want to convert kilometer to millimeter, then I repeat the same. 1 kilometer equals to how many centimeters? 1 lakh centimeter. Again this can be written as 1 lakh multiplied by 1 centimeter, and this is equals to 1 lakh multiply 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So here 10 millimeter. So this will be equals to 10 lakh millimeter. Okay. Now look here. In this case, see, I am using this as 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, or we can write it like this: 1 meter equals to this 1000, 1 by 1000 kilometer, or this will be equals to 1, 2, 3. How many decimal places we have to, how many digits we have to leave for this? 3 digits. So this will be equals to 0.001 kilometer. Okay. Second one, look here, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So in a reverse way, we can write it like this: 1 centimeter equals to 1 upon 100 meters, or this will be equals to 0.01 meters. Again, 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So this implies, or this will be equals to 1 upon 10 centimeter equals to 1 millimeter, or 1 millimeter equals to 0.1 centimeter. So these are the relationship between, if we want to convert kilometer to meter, and if we want to convert meter to kilometer, then we use this relationship. Okay, that's all, that's for units of length. Now moving towards the next unit. So next one is unit of mass. Here you know that for weighing mass we use the units. First one is kilogram, and second one is gram, and third one is milligram. Okay, so how we can convert these? Here you know that 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. So here, and 1 grams equals to 1000 milligrams. If we want to convert kilograms to milligrams, so what is the relationship between? Same as we have did, 1 kilogram equals to 1000 grams, or we can write it like this: 1000 multiplied by 1 grams. This is equals to 1000 multiplied by, now 1 grams equals to how many milligrams? 1000 milligrams. So this will be equals to 10 lakh milligrams. And same, if we want to convert convert grams to kilograms, this will be equals to 1 by 1000 kilograms equals to 1 gram, or this will be equals to 0.001 kg equals to 1 grams. And again for this we have 0.001 gram equals to 1 milligram. Next we have the units of volume. Okay, next one is our units of volume. Here we have 3 units of volume: kiloliter, liter and milliliter. Okay, now first unit 1 kiloliter, this is the conversion of kiloliter to liter and then liter to milliliter. Now we are going to convert kiloliter to milliliters. So again for this, you know that 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liters, and we can write it like this: 1000 multiplied by 1 liter. So this will be equals to 1000 multiply 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. So this will be equals to 10 lakh milliliter. So 1 kiloliter equals to 10 lakh milliliters. Now in a reversible way, 1 liter equals to 1 upon 1000 kiloliters, or 1 liter equals to, by using the decimal, this will be equals to 001 kiloliter. Okay, and for second one, 1 liter, 1 upon 1000 liters equals to 1 milliliter, or 1 milliliter equals to 0.001 liters. So this is all about the conversion of units.